As part of your theory test, you need to do a case study. This is where you'll watch a short 20-second video, then answer 3 questions about what you've seen in the video. You can watch the video as many times as you need to. Let's go over a case study example now. Watch this video, then we'll go over 3 questions.
Have a look at this slide. You can see, can't you, that all signs have the same picture, but they all mean completely different things. They've all got a picture of a cyclist inside, a bicycle inside, but they all have different meanings. That means that you need to know the shapes and the colours of the signs. The bicycle, the picture is the same, but the shape is different, and the colours of the shape is different. So if you can properly understand shape, colour, content, SCC, first thing you look at is the shape, and then you look at the colour of the shape, and the last thing you look at is the content. The last thing you look at is the picture that's inside the sign. Shape, colour, content. Now, every single sign that's in the shape of a circle is giving you an order, and you can easily remember that. If you make a circle shape like this with your hand, look at that circle, and you can clearly see it's the same shape as an O for order. Circle signs are orders. We have blue circle signs and we have red circle signs. Blue circle signs tell you what you must do, or that this road is for you to use. So just say it out loud. Say, blue must do, or this road is for you. Blue must do, or this road is for you. Say that out loud, then you can remember what every single circle sign is telling you. It's telling you what you must do, or that this road is for you to use. Blue must do, or this road is for you. So now you know, don't you, what all of these circle signs are telling you. What does this one mean? Blue must do, or this road is for you. This road is for you. This road is for cyclists to use. What about this one? Pop it into the chat. What does this sign mean? If blue must do, or this road is for you, what does this blue circle sign mean? Yeah, it means this road is for cyclists and pedestrians to use together. Fantastic. What about this sign here? What does this sign mean? You now know it's a circle, is an order, is for you. This road is only for trams to use. Amazing. This is a blue circle sign. This road is only for trams. Fab. What about this sign here? Blue must do. And it's got an arrow that goes up and then across. You must turn in the direction of the arrow. Fantastic. What about this arrow that goes down over towards one side? What must you do? If you see this sign, you must pass that sign on the left. So if you see that sign, you must drive past that on that side of the sign. What about this sign here? It's telling you what you must do, and you must go in that direction. Blue must do. You must go right. Amazing. So now you know all about blue circle signs. Let's have a look at red circle signs. Red circle signs tell you what you must not do, and this road is not for you. Just say this out loud. Say these words out loud. Red O means no. Red O means no. Anything in a red circle sign means you cannot do it, or you must not use that road. So now you know what all of these signs mean, don't you? What about sign A, this one here? Red O means no. So who cannot use this road? If you look at the shape and then the colour, the shape is an order. The colour is a red O. And then you look at the picture, no cycling. Brilliant. Red O means no. No horse riders. Nobody riding horses is allowed down this road. Red O means no. No pedestrians. You cannot walk down this road. These ones here, these are directional. They're telling you about which way you cannot turn. And they've also got a red slash. The red slash is just there to emphasize, to make it even more important. The red slash shouldn't be necessary, really, should it? Because the red O means no. So it kind of means no, definitely not. You must not turn in the direction of the arrow. Whenever you're looking at these signs, notice there's an arrow, a pointy bit at the top. That means you're driving up and in that direction. If this arrow is inserted like this, it means you're driving up this road and then driving in that direction. So you cannot turn in that direction. You cannot turn in that direction. You cannot do a U-turn. If you don't understand what this a U-turn is, then please let me know. So no turning in these directions and no U-turns. Let me go through what a U-turn is. So just say you're driving up the road. You're driving up the road in this direction, and you realize that you've driven past the house that you wanted to go to. What you're not allowed to do is drive like that. You're not allowed to do that. So now you know that circle signs are orders. We have blue and red. Blue are telling you what you must do. Red O means no. All triangle-shaped signs are warning signs. And the way that you can remember that is to make a triangle shape with your hands, open your hands out but keeping your thumbs together, and you'll see a W for warning. Triangle signs are warning signs. So whenever you look at any triangle-shaped sign, just say to yourself, this sign is warning me about. Sign A is warning you about you driving towards traffic lights. Check your mirrors. Ease off the gas pedal, the accelerator pedal. Don't keep on speeding up. This sign is warning you you're driving in an area where there might be people riding horses. Check your mirrors. Look well ahead of you. And this one, there might be wild horses in your area. Horses that just roam around everywhere. So be very, very careful. These two signs are both warning you about a level crossing, a place where a train goes over the road. This one, you'll just get the train, no gate or barrier. This one is a level crossing with a gate or a barrier. So both of these are level crossings, just the train, no gate or barrier. This one has got a gate or a barrier. And this sign here is warning you that you might come across a car. Close behind it, another car. Close behind it, another car. What is it when cars are very close to each other? That's a traffic jam, a traffic queue. These cars are either not moving or moving very, very slowly. You've had the warning. You don't go charging, speeding round the bend and crash into the back of them. You've had the warning. I hope that makes sense. So triangle signs give warnings. If you can say warning me about, first of all, it will help you to know whether you've got the answer right or not. Then we have rectangle-shaped signs. Rectangle signs give information. We have blue ones, white ones, green ones, brown ones. So let's talk about those one by one. First of all, blue rectangle signs give us information on our roads, and they give us information on our motorways. So please don't get mixed up. How do you know it's information? Well, hold a finger up like that. Just join in with me and use that finger to draw a rectangle shape. Use that finger to draw a rectangle shape. Then look at the finger and it looks like the letter I for information. Rectangle signs are information signs. So blue rectangles are used on our motorways. We'll talk about what these signs actually mean at another point. Then we've got green and white, and they're used for directions. Have a look for these when you go out next. Have a look for these direction signs. The green ones are for main roads. The white ones are for non-main roads. And the words for that is primary and non-primary. And look here, in this green one, you've got a blue one that is motorways. Remember, blue ones are used on motorways. So we've got green, white and blue in these pictures here. Do you know what brown signs are for? Brown rectangle shaped signs give us information, that all information, and they are for tourists. Yes, they give us tourist information. So that's a place that you might want to go and visit for an hour or two, for a day. Tourist information is in brown sign. Enroll now at testbuddy.app to pass your test with flying colours. It has over 100 video tutorials, worksheets and all the licensed DVSA practice questions.